Inflatable Bottom Spray is a special boat cleaner for cleaning algae off inflatable boats and dinghies. It penetrates through the algae and breaks a bond with the boat for easy removal. Spray it on, allow it to work, scrub and power wash or spray your boat clean. Look at this poor rigid inflatable boat that's been neglected for over 3 years. It's dirty, gummy, and stained with diesel. Inflatable boat spray got the algae off in no time. Next, Speed Clean Boat Cleaner got the yuck off quickly and easily. PolyGuard inflatable boat protective coating made the tube shine better than new. Repelin clear polymer fouling release coating provides invisible protection against marine fouling. It's a green alternative to antifouling paint. Aurora System match products work together to give you the same restoration, cleaning, and protection results that professionals get while saving you time and effort. You'll love how your inflatable boat looks.